Welcome to our channel. Finding quality streaming apps requires understanding what's available legally on Fire Stick. Follow these step-by-step instructions for the best experience. Step 1. Download the Amazon App Store's featured apps. These are vetted by Amazon and include all major streaming services. Step 2. Check user ratings and reviews before installing any app. High ratings from thousands of users indicate reliable, quality apps. Step 3. Look for apps from established media companies like Disney, NBC, Warner Bros., Paramount, and Sony. These offer official, high-quality content. Step 4. Try free ad-supported services like Freevee, formerly IMDb TV, Pluto TV, and Tubi. These provide thousands of movies and shows legally. Step 5. Explore genre-specific services. Criterion Channel for classic cinema, Curiosity Stream for documentaries, or Shudder for horror. Step 6. Consider international services like BritBox, Acorn TV, or MH's Choice if you enjoy content from other countries. Step 7. Use your Fire Stick search function to find apps by genre, actor, or title. The search will show you which apps have your desired content. Step 8. Ignore promises of hidden apps or secret players that claim to unlock premium content for free. These are scams or facilitate piracy. Stick to legitimate sources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.